you'll notice that for your air wrap and for your spiral, you have this same circle, enter, circle, enter, circle, circle, enter, circle, enter, right? So you're doing the same lockout here, right? Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to do one circle, one spiral, one circle, one spiral, one circle, one spiral, one circle, one spiral. Now, I don't think you're ready to jump from what you're doing right now to that. It looks like you were doing 4 to 6, 3 to 6 of them. So I would start off with an even 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and spiral. Reverse, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and spiral. Reverse, 1, 2, 3, and spiral. Reverse, 1, 2, 3, and spiral. Reverse. Do that a couple times, however many times you need in each count, until you can get it down to 1. The mission after 1, so this is 1. The mission after that is this, where it's not even going back in the circle. This amazing combination, which will exercise all of them, where you're doing air wrap, spiral, air wrap, spiral, air wrap, spiral, air wrap, spiral. I know it's a drill, but that's also pretty cool looking. I think you can perform it